The CEO is over the president. So the owner is over the executive director, but the executive director runs and operates the business. Now, an executive director is a high salary. It'll be your highest salary next to your own. Obviously, in order to do that, you have to have profits, you have to have revenue, you have to have enough of a reason for this particular individual. There's multiple different types of executive directors, which maybe we could talk about in a couple of seconds, because there's executive directors for different purposes.
Right.
But when you're trying to have an executive director, and that $2 million mark is the sweet spot, that's when there's enough revenue coming in. You should be able to bring in somebody. Who should that person be, and what kind of skills you're looking for, and you could grow them into this ED role.
So a question on this
helps run the business with you.
Right. And so a question on this, there's going to be some home care agency owners that will say, well, I brought in some caregivers and I started training them. Now, I think that's good. And I also think it's bad sometimes. And I'll tell you why, Steve. You take a caregiver and their capacity for learning and execution and problem solving, and not all of them are going to have those insightful, capabilities.